In the Netherlands, a friendship contract, vriendschapscontract, is an agreement which regulates the consequences of a social relationship between two or more persons under family law as well as property law. Such a contract has no prescribed form. From an evidential point of view, a written or notarial form is preferred. In addition, parties are in principle, see Article 340 of the Dutch Civil Code, Burgerlijk Wetboek, BW, free to determine the content of their agreement. For example, an tangible or intangible duty of care can be established, a power of attorney can be granted in case a party can no longer act on his own behalf, and an arrangement can be made for the event that one party obtains a good that, in whole or in part, is financed with assets of the other. In the Dutch law of persons and family law there are as of yet no legal effects attached to friendship contracts, which is also not expected to happen in the near future. The friendship contract is therefore currently governed by the general Dutch contract and property law. The first friendship contract. The first friendship contract was concluded in the Netherlands between best friends Joost Janmaat and Christian Fruno, who do not have a love affair together. The notarized contract was executed before civil law notary Martin Meyer on the 7th of May 2015. This movement stems from the desire to introduce the institute of friendship into Dutch law. Janmaat and Fruno believe that friendship is playing an increasingly important role in society, which should also be legally recognized in certain areas of law. For example, they have in mind a lower inheritance tax rate for friends and the right not to testify against your best friend. The thought that the family is the only cornerstone of society is considered passé. Friends are, in practice, more and more on an equal par with family members or life partners. Public reactions. The chairman of the Dutch Humanist Association, Humanistisch Verbond, Boris van der Ham, also calls for the legal recognition of friendship in, and outside, the Netherlands in the members' magazine Human. In his opinion, the Dutch law does not reflect current reality on this issue. The Foundation Centrum Individu en Samenleving, CISA, sees the increasing amount of persons living in different social arrangements than marriage as a reason to break the unilateral focus on marriage.